Heidi here from Mountain Trail RV. This is our MY25 off-road caravan. We have a full outdoor kitchen, 75 litre fridge, kitchen here with stove and sink, and then under the electric awning we have our full hatch here with a 32-inch TV, full electronics, large space here. Inside we have our full ensuite. It is a separate toilet and shower, 2.5 kg washer dryer, fantastic space. Then moving into here we have a 250 litre fridge, which is also freezer down the bottom, and then into the kitchen we've got induction cooktop, your composite stone here, full kitchen, microwave, and we also have a dishwasher, fully integrated dishwasher. Round here we have a full queen. You've got either hanging or shelves on either side, and look at the storage. With the electrical system we have 1.5 kilowatts of solar on the roof, 1,200 amps of lithium, and 100 amp charging through the Red Arc Alpha management system. What an awesome van. Come check us out. We're at the Melbourne Caravan and Camping Show this weekend, starting today right through to Sunday. Come and see us.